We have been eating meat for the whole holiday, so today we're gonna have some fish. So I'm gonna clean up this fish with some lemon. Make sure that all scales are gone, even though they scale them at the fish shop, but I still like to scale my, make sure it's all clean. So I'm using lemon only, no vinegar, because vinegar will soften your fish. So I'm using a sharp knife to just scale and get rid of all the teeny tiny scales. And I'm drying with a paper towel to get rid of the excess water. Then I'm gonna season. I'm putting some salt, black pepper, this is seasoned to the bone fish seasoning. I've never used it before. Always use Maggi, but I'm trying something new. Put some slices in the fish because we're gonna rub in the seasonings, and I'm planning to brown stew this fish, but later on you will see what happened. But as in Jamaica we say, anything spoil, turn in a style. So I'm gonna have to style up this fish, but just wait until you will see. Keep watching. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, so right now I'm seasoning the oil. We have to do that. But I'm getting ready to fry these fish, and I have some green pigeon peas there, Grace, gungo peas. I always find different brand up here, but now I find Grace, so I have to go with that. Alright, so fish going in the pot. Look like it's frying up nicely. It's all fine out. Another slice, I had 4 pieces. Oh, and you know what? Look at my grandbaby. Her first time drinking soup. This video just dropped right in the middle of me cooking video, so me just let it stay right there. And if you're wondering why I'm putting carrot and onion and all them seasonings there, garlic and all of that, sweet pepper, why I'm putting them in this pot right now, I want to tell you that the 2 pieces of fish that I was frying spoiled. So guess what? Now I had to change my mind and decide that I'm going to steam some fish. Good thing I use a small pot and I didn't put all of them in. So I'm putting peppercorn and pimento. I'm gonna mash them right there in my little mortar that my girlfriend gave me, and spice up them seasonings. And good thing me did have some okra too. Me did buy the okra to put in smoothie, but see, me have to end up put it in the fish. You see that, man? Me say me have to just style up the fish, because I buy fish one place and I buy it at a different place now, and it's not the same. So you see that now I have to just end up cut down the other 2 pieces and just turn it into some steamed fish now. I may tell you, hey, you have to learn how to turn your hand and make fashion, man. I tell you, you never plan to cook steamed fish, look at that. I have to just steam it up now, but it's all good. Yeah, man, I add a piece of butter, nice up the pot, add in my okra. And I don't like to cut down okra, so I just put them just like that in the pot, clean them up, tip off the ends, and that time you put some butter, and we're gonna set that to steam. So right here, so now I'm gonna add a little all-purpose seasoning, just for a little more taste, and some fish and meat sauce. I always keep fish and meat sauce in my house. So that's steaming down nice now, so I'm just getting everything incorporated. Yeah, because I don't want to turn them fish here. So I just scoop up and cover them and make everything go and mellow up in the pot, And guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share them, and see the gungo peas, cook up and ready for the rice. Yes, so see how the fish look in the pot, and now I'll go and steam up, So add the rice in the pot now. I'm gonna cover that and leave it on a medium flame to cook and see how the rice and gungo turn out there. Nice and shelly. I'm ready to plate up now. Plate for me. Plate for my hubby. You see my plate and my hubby plate. My hubby get wide plate. Never forget the plate with the rim because me realize the older I get, food start drop out of my plate. I don't know what's going on with me, but right now me just have to eat everything out of bowl and plate with rim because trust me, all when me sit down at the table, the food still drop out of the plate. I don't know. Is that happen to anybody else? Please don't make me know. Something I go on, but me don't know how I go on. So me just careful and me just keep eat out of the plate then with the rim. Yeah man, that's how we do it. Food look good. Smell good, you see man, me wishing you could have smell it and you know me not do nothing without the beauty, you know. So see right there, so now me have my beautiful salad. Nice. Yeah man, and dress up the plate and make the food look presentable. Learn that from my mother. I know if food not presentable, you can't serve she, no brother. My father always get the prettiest looking food, brother. She have to find tomato, cucumber, anywhere if you come from, she have to find something. If she just give the man one egg sandwich, it have to be pretty. So my mother do things and that's how me learn. So I'm adding my homemade dressing and we're ready to eat. Simple homemade dressing, few ingredients. Just get a mason jar, add lemon juice, vinegar, oil, olive oil, salt and pepper. And you just shake that up and you have a beautiful dressing. Just like that.